What's up guys, Super Geek here. Recently I made a video about Chrome OS Flex and how you can install it on your Windows laptop, but a lot of you have questions and are confused about some stuff, so I thought why not make a follow-up video and answer all of your questions one by one. I tried to answer your questions in the comments, but some questions need further explanation, so I made this video and let's go through all the comments. This has been asked a lot. Your device is stuck on Chrome logo, so I would suggest you to change the USB flash drive or even change the USB ports, and I've seen this on my device as well. So I changed the port and it worked for me. Maybe it will work for you as well, so try to do that. Second question is about how much data is going to be used while making the USB flash drive bootable. So the image is not going to be more than 1 gigs, so make sure you have at least 2 gigs of data. So some of you are really confused, I would say, about Cloud Ready OS being dumb. I don't know. See, maybe it's dumb for you, but it's not dumb for everyone. Not everyone wants Android apps on their laptop or device that they work on. The use case is different for different people. Maybe someone wants a device that can only run the browser so they can work on it. It can give them a better battery backup and a faster boot up times. So maybe, I don't know, it's not for you, but maybe someone needs this OS on their device. Okay, the next question is about my PC specs. So my PC is Core i5 10th Gen with 8 gigs of memory and GTX 1050 Ti, and I was using the USB 2.0 flash drive. It was really old flash drive and it's connected to the USB 3.0 port. So the next question is about, can I install it on a laptop with no Windows on it or any OS, I guess. So yes, you can install it on any of your device, but make sure you have a 64-bit processor and you have your data backed up. Okay, moving on to the next comment. I've installed the Chrome OS Flex on my 3-year-old laptop. I booted up well, but it goes blank after booting. Can't even install Windows again. The laptop, it boots up Chrome OS even if I plug my booted pen drive with Windows 10. So the best thing I can suggest you is go to the BIOS menu and change the boot order to your USB drive first and then the main hard drive. Maybe that way you can be able to install Windows 10 again. Alright, so this is a really big confusion in you guys. So let me make this very clear. If you install it from your USB drive, if you install it on your PC, the master hard drive is going to be wiped completely. So make sure you have your backup or you know what you're doing. Alright, so the main drive is going to be wiped completely. Okay, next question is about internet consumption on Flex compared to Windows 10. Alright, so internet consumption is going to be really less. I think that's what you're asking, compared to Windows 10, because Windows 10 is a full-fledged OS with a lot of apps running in the background, but Chrome OS Flex is just a browser, so unless you're running any updates or downloads in the background, there's not going to be a lot of internet getting consumed. The next question is about, if you switch back to the Windows drive again, will it be Windows? Okay, I don't know what you're asking. All I can understand is that you're asking about, if you remove the flash drive, will the Windows will be booting again? Yes, if you remove the flash drive, the laptop or your device is going to be boot up to your Windows. There's nothing going to be, unless you haven't installed it on your laptop or your device, because if you install it, then you're stuck with Cloud Ready or Chrome OS Flex, or what they call it. Alright, so the next question is about laptop i5 2nd Gen, 4 gigs of RAM. So yes, it's going to work on your laptop, or yes, on your laptop really well. 4 gigs of RAM is sufficient for Cloud Ready, and you're only going to surf the net and check in the mails. So yes, your device is going to support this OS really well, and you're going to get the best experience out of it because the processor and RAM is pretty much sufficient for Cloud Ready 2.0. Moving on, can we use Windows apps in Chrome OS? Nope, you cannot use it. Can I run movies and files? Yes. No, you cannot run movies and files that are in your Windows because even in guest mode it cannot detect your primary drive. So no, it cannot. During installation it will delete only C drive data or all the drive data. So okay, let me make this very clear. Even if you have partitions on your master drive, it's going to delete everything from your master drive. Even if it have partitions, it's going to wipe out that primary drive and install Cloud Ready on it. Moving on, no Play Store. Can it run Android apps? No, it cannot run Android apps. There is no possible way. There is a way, let me tell you guys, there is a way to do that, but it's really janky, really messy. You have to do a lot of work just to run a single app on it. There is no Play Store, as I told you before. So final answer is nope, it cannot run Android apps. Does it have Play Store? Nope. Okay, so the next question is about how do I make my pen drive normal again. Okay, let me tell you how you can do that. Search for Rufus on your browser. Open the first link, download the portable version from this link, and go to downloads, launch Rufus, and as you can see, your flash drive is selected. Go to non-bootable, select NTFS from here, click on start. It will ask for permission, click on OK. Alright, so close it, and there you go, your flash drive is normal. Just delete these files and your flash drive is back normal again. Alright, moving on, we have same kind of questions, so I think I'm going to end this video right here. Alright, so that was it guys. I hope I answered all of your questions from the comments. If you still have any queries, drop that in the comments on this video. I will try to reply it and answer those as well. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.